This recipe is by far the best way to make juicy turkey, because boy, do I hate dry turkey meat. Alrighty then, gather these ingredients and let's get started. You're going to make 2 seasonings, one a dry rub and the other a wet rub. For the dry rub, mix your favorite seasonings. I like adobo, salt, sazon, pepper, garlic, tomato, and set aside. For the wet rub, mince some fresh garlic, sofrito, olive oil, and mix thoroughly. Gently separate the skin from the meat with your hands. Pour freshly squeezed limes all over the turkey inside and out. Sprinkle the dry seasonings and massage all over the top of the turkey in between the skin, flip on the other side, and do the same thing. Now, grab the wet ingredients and pour all over the turkey and make sure every area is covered. Some of your guests might like the neck, gizzards, and liver, so massage some of the wet ingredients and stuff it inside the turkey. Now, to get the skin crispy and the meat juicy tender, this is what does it. Lift the skin and place at least 3 spoonfuls of butter. Place the turkey in a plastic bag and refrigerate overnight. The next day, start prepping the stuffing. Of course, it has to be mofongo. So fry some pork and some peeled green plantains, and once they're browning, remove them from the heat. Place the plantains in a masher or a cup and mash the plantains. In a bowl, place the mashed plantains and the pork pieces and combine. Now for the best part, grab the plantains and wrap bacon strips all around the ball. Stuff the turkey with the plantains, and this baby wants some privacy, so close the door with some strips of bacon. Place the turkey in a bag, pop it in the oven, and after 3.5 hours, bam, it's done. Until next time, friends.